or skip. One there was a rich man. He dressed in such a way with a design, with a cap. There was a king. The rich man went to sit in his seat. There were two bodyguards, and between there one helper. So you can see he looked like a king. Bo raja hai no angkha, bo no thang no nai tui no yang sai langkha. One day he was having lunch. Besasa mai bonotun dengan tangga raja no bini bodyguard bo dujon tongo raja ni tomong no saimang khana bo bahai ke tong and again a glass of water. So there he's having his lunch. Bo mai chai tongo bo raja bini yakrok bo bini kamlano hui rebo. Raja bo mai chabai kha. In the same way, one there was a beggar. He was very poor, and he went to lick like a dog. What the king left over, he went to collect. Bo raja ni maje saklai mani sakarok tolarok bo khasana ni thangka. Bo kuri borok gini belai sitra angka. One day, the beggar died. The beggar died. Bo beggar no thrika, o begari no thrika, salsa. Beggar mane gurib, gurib thrika. Tabuk. There were two angels. They went to pick up Swari rock, hai tongka angel, bono ramai, heavenot langka, noka sakawo. They took in the heaven. In the same way, the king also died. Bo salsa raja bo thika. Bo raja kuthoyang ka salsa. Bo gurib thima hai no bo thika. In the same way, the angel came and picked up in the hell. bo teisa raja bo thimani pore bo norogo thangkha bo jaga sikal tongma jaga rok bo bini bahan kaisika Thank you everyone.